grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to proceed with your plea of true to 24B?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find. All right, court is calling 2023 CR 10986, State of Texas versus Leslie Myers. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Alexandria Boggs for the state.
Defense?
George Schaefer for defendant, Your Honor.
And are you Leslie Myers?
Yes, Your Honor.
And am I pronouncing your last name correctly?
Yes, thank you.
Sure. Did you review, just one moment. All right. Did you review the documents entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision and First Amendment Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same Leslie Don Meyers who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2023 CR 10986 for the offense of assault, family second offense on December 13, 2023 for a period of 3 years? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state.
Violated condition number 24B. On or about the 15th day of November 2024 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Leslie Dawn Myers, did then and there find herself in contact with Benjamin Guild and threatened, assaulted, or verbally abused said person in violation of condition number 24B.
To that, how do you plea? True or not true?
True, Your Honor.
The state waives the remaining allegations, Your Honor.
Any objections?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of 24B, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to proceed with your plea of true to 24B?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find 24B true. All right. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. The proposed agreement is that she be sentenced to 2 years TDC.
All right. So has she done anything on probation other than threatening someone?
She's had a bunch of negative UAs, Judge.
I finished my fifth class as well, and I did my 90 and 90, and I did about 3 to 4 meetings weekly. I was about to start my community service.
All right. And Benjamin
Guild.
Is he the complainant in this case?
He is, Your Honor. And he's present in the courtroom.
All right. Does anybody want to call him as a witness? Because I don't think that, okay. I don't think that 2 years is appropriate in this case. And let me explain to everybody why. It's because she's on probation for assault against the complainant. And then 24B is, I don't know, assaultive language or threats against the same complainant. So I don't understand why it should follow the agreement. That's what I'm asking.
Judge, I'll call him as a witness.
All right. Mr. Gill, if you can come forward, please.
Ms. Myers.
All right, can you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Benjamin Holmes Guild.
All right, defense.
And you are the same person who was the complainant in the original case that she was put on probation for?
Yes.
And you are the same person who has alleged that on November the 15th of 2024, she committed another assault against you, correct? Now, at the time, were y'all drinking alcohol? She's not supposed to consume alcohol. You're aware of that?
Correct.
Same thing with you. You're not supposed to consume alcohol. And that's because you're on a probation yourself.
Indeed.
And what was the nature and extent of this argument? What happened?
I'm not sure of the details, to be honest with you. Call the details.
Okay. You were arguing with her?
It's probably mutual.
She was arguing with you?
It was probably more me than.
You understand that the state is recommending a sentence of 2 years. Are you amenable to that, or would you accept that?
Define amenable.
Well, are you happier than the court saying, no, I'm not going to accept that offer and sentence her up to 10 years?
I would rather that not happen. I would rather she get less than 2 years.
How long have you and she been together?
On and off for, she's been down here for 8 years. We've been acquaintances for 20 years, 20 plus years, 25 years.
And I'll pass the witness.
All right, any questions?
I have no questions.
All right, thank you. All right. This is, if there's nothing else from either side, this is what the court is going to do. Court is finding
24B.
24B true. The court will grant the motion. The court will find you guilty, give you credit for any time served. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. There should be no contact with Benjamin Gill. I'll request the therapeutic community for you, and the court will sentence you to 4 years in the prison. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, this is not a plea bargain agreement. You do have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you're on deferred adjudication. Do you understand? Right. Because this is a felony conviction and also an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, good luck to you. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Marcus Sanders.
Defense?
Don Meyers.
And are you Mr. Lloyd?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, defense, I'm showing you what's entitled discovery acknowledgement. Have you received all the discovery in this case, and did you review it with your client?
Yes, we have, and we have. Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Lloyd, I'm showing you what's entitled application for deferred adjudication or community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Judge. We filed a motion to amend the indictment. We're asking to include account 2, terroristic threat of a public servant.
Any objection?
How do you want?
No,
how do you- Well, no, I have no objection to count 2.
okay, and then Judge,
Well,
I guess
let's start there. So defense, do you have any objection to the amendment?
No,
All right. Mr. Lloyd, do you understand that the state is requesting to amend the indictment? And that's a substantive change to the indictment. Do you have any objection to that amendment?
No, Your Honor.
And do you understand that your attorney has a right to 10 days to prepare for trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
And knowing that, do you still wish to proceed?
Yes, Your Honor.
The court will grant the state's motion. Any other additions to the count 2 now?
yes, Judge, we are waiving count 1, proceeding on count 2. The lesser included last B terroristic threat. So we are striking through the public servant language.
Any objection?
no, Your Honor.
Mr. Lloyd, I'm going to show you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendants Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of terroristic threat as a Class B misdemeanor? The range of punishment is up to a $2,000 fine and up to 180 days in the Bexar County Jail. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your agreement. If for any reason the court does not follow your agreement and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to a $2,000 fine and up to 180 days in the Bear County Jail? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, he has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I believe he does, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, I do.
Mr. Lloyd, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea bargain agreement?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea bargain agreement, the state is proceeding on count 2 only. They're asking that they proceed on the lesser included offense of terroristic threat. There's a $500 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication, and there's to be no contact with Ezekiel, Ezequiuiel, Juarez, Juarez. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Judge.
I'm showing you the paragraph entitled waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you outside the plea bargain agreement. State is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 1 year. There'll be a top evaluation and 80 hours of community service restitution. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the lesser included offense of terroristic threat, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
State, any evidence?
Yes, the state offers State's Exhibit 1 and its attachments.
We've reviewed it. We have no objection, Your Honor.
Mr. Lloyd, I'm showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, sir. You can proceed.
All right, anything you want to say on behalf of your client?
Yeah, Damon has been a CNA for the past 3 years. He's also an active reservist in the military. He's an E4 combat engineer. His intentions in his probation is successfully completed is to go active duty in the military. No prior criminal history. This was a very unfortunate, isolated incident, and we ask that you approve the plea bargain as listed in the paperwork.
How old are you?
I'm 28, Your Honor.
28?
Yes, ma'am.
So what have you learned from this?
I learned that I actually need to like not jump into things so fast. Me being in the military, I feel like I acted way faster than I should have. I should have thought about it. And
What, thought about going into the apartment with another man's wife?
well, it's a hard situation, Your Honor, because we were all friends. That's the only reason why I was in there, and my dog.
Well, that sort of makes it worse if you're kissing on another man's wife that y'all are supposed to be friends. No good can come of that.
I understand that, Your Honor.
That's all I can tell you. No, nothing good can come of that. So are you employed or
Yes.
military?
CNA, certified nursing assistant.
Yes.
It's been for over 3 years now.
Yes.
All right. Is there any drug, alcohol problem?
No, ma'am.
All right. So the court will follow your agreement. The court will sentence you to 1 year deferred adjudication. Of course, if he completes everything early, he's more than welcome to come and see about being terminated early. There's to be no contact with Ezekiel Juarez. There's to be regular reporting to probation. 80 hours of community service restitution. 40 of those hours will be waived if you provide proof of the COVID vaccination. Court is not requiring you to do that, but if you do, 40 of those hours will be waived. There's to be regular UAs. Do you have any children?
No, ma'am.
Just your dog?
Yes, Your Honor.
And what type of dog is it?
Great Pyrenees.
How old?
She's 4. She's 4 right now.
Okay. And probation, is there anything else he needs?
Proof of employment, Your Honor.
Thank you. Proof of employment within 15 days. Anything else?
Did you want any field visits?
We'll do field visits 1 time per month. If there's no issues after 3 months, that can be discontinued. There's no classes that I can give you to say, hey, don't date another man's wife. There's,
And I think, Judge, the complainant in this case has moved from
From the apartment.
the complex, so there's
Okay.
no even friendly for the contact.
all right. All right, is there anything else you need in order to be successful?
No, Your Honor, just what you just gave me today.
Okay, all right, I'm showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
All right, we can go off the record. So much could have happened. You're going into another man's home with that man's wife.